had a lovely breakfast, haven't we?
That was nice.
Yes, it was very nice. So we were quickly going back to the hotel room just to pick up our bags because we've got, what's his name? I told you his name. Someone's picking us up to take us on a Jeep tour. Carlos. Was it Carlos? I can't remember. But yeah, so going back quickly to get the bags. Actually, just to tell you about the hotel room itself. So that's it. There. It's all. Say hi.
Hello.
So this floor, we're on the fourth floor, and it's one that's been developed because they're doing it in stages. And oh, I can already hear them.
They're already going away.
They're already doing work upstairs. Or is it downstairs? I don't know which way up they go. So I'm mumbling here. Where was I going with this?
Talking about renovation later.
Oh yeah, well, so yeah, we're lucky enough to be staying in one of the renovated rooms, which is lovely. Except we've found, I'm not going to say flaws, but if they're renovating, I would have thought that they'd put a mirror in the room. There's not one single mirror. There's one in the bathroom, but when she spent half an hour in the bathroom this morning,
I was doing my hair.
She was doing her hair. I couldn't do my makeup, so my makeup's been done in the reflection of the TV.
maybe that's the mirror that's oversized.
Maybe. But the bed's really comfortable. I slept really well.
You woke up, someone said, it's already 7 o'clock.
Yeah. Usually when we go on holiday, I leave the bathroom light on because if it's a strange place and I wake up, I
Fall over.
basically. So, but there was no need because the air conditioning unit has got, can you see it? A little, there we go, that's it. It's got a little temperature gauge thing up there, and you wouldn't think it, but that light is extremely bright.
I wouldn't know
So-
because I had to sleep mask on the right.
So yeah, it does actually light up that room, this room. But anyway, we've got to go because literally packing bags, and we're meeting, let's call him Carlos. Hold on, let me check his name. It's not Carlos, it's Maurizio. So doesn't even sound like Carlos, other than there's an S sounding letter in there. Anyway, okay, bye bye.
This is an exhibition they do every year. It's a project they have at schools, some schools with the students. They collect the trash and then they do this kind of exhibition. The idea is to teach that recycling is very important.
So we've got a few minutes just to walk around this little fishing village. Yeah. So far so good, it looks absolutely beautiful. We forgot her sunglasses, so we have just bought her some sunglasses.
And I like them.
Yes. €10 well spent just to shut her up. Look how beautiful this is. Absolutely stunning. So we're in a little village called, can't remember.
It's
Oh,
something
right,
like
yes.
this.
Right. So we're back. Go back to the Jeep. We've collected 2 more people while we've been walking around the little fishing village. So there's now a total of 5 of us.
No, 2.
2, 4,
5.
5, 6, 7.
Yeah, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of us, and 8 is the driver.
Yes.
Yeah.
places where they surf. On the right side, where you see this white building, it's Banana Museum. If my window works, if not, we will get stuck. Thank you. Okay. All good?
All good.
She expected. Car wash for free. Is it a good idea?
Fun.
That was very fun.
We just walked through a waterfall on a road.
You nearly walked.
Well,
through it. I thought Mum was going to go do it.
I'm not being wet all day.
see lots of cars. It's crowded every day. Doesn't matter if it's a lovely sunny day like today, which doesn't happen many times, or raining or foggy, whatever.
Scary drive, so scary. I was like, I was like, oh, he's a brilliant driver though. Yeah.
Clouds. It's Porto Moniz.
We are going down this road. That's the road we're going down. You can see it winding. Can you see it? Oh. That's... How was it?
Cold.
Yeah.
Really cold. I'm really warm, so yeah, that was really cold. Compared to that, I was really warm.
And you cut yourself?
Yeah, my knee.
It's all right. Like I say, I've come prepared with plasters.
Yeah. It's just the weird sensation of the moss between my toes.
And the seaweedy stuff.
Yeah.
Algae. Yeah. But you've done it.
I've done it.
I was too chicken.
I wanted to go further in. Just couldn't.
Oh, we've only got an hour here anyway.
Yeah, what time is it now?
I don't know.
Like, I thought I was doing that for like 10-15 minutes. I was like, what the hell?
That was really good fun for Olivia. I chickened out doing it.
It's nice. It was a weird feeling of the algae stuff.
But you've done it.
I did it.
You did it.
Sounds
It's
good.
extremely rocky going down into the water. So just be careful. Yeah, so that's where Olivia went in, just there. But there's steps there. Obviously we missed them. There's plenty of steps to get up.
That little one over there.
Yeah. So there's our Jeep, and we were up there somewhere earlier. That's what I'm going for. This scabbard with banana. That's a local delicacy.
I am going for the
Steak.
steak.
Okay. That's the local beer, the Coral. And it's very nice. Why are you laughing at me? Don't laugh at me.
Steering wheel. I do not want it.
Yeah, he was just literally talking with his hands. Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
Focus.
Focus. No one breathe. No one move.
10 to 2. That's how you drive.
Yeah. He is a good driver though.
Very informative.
Yes. Recommend the tour company.
Just go tours.
Just go tours. Yeah. So we've been waiting 25 minutes for our food. I did say to the waitress that we've got to be back at the car in half an hour, and she was like, yeah, that's fine. But so we've basically got 5 minutes to get our food, eat, and get back to the car. At this rate, we'll just walk out. Well, we had to cancel our food order because they said it's another 10 minutes. And I was like, well, I said to the waitress, we need to be out in half an hour. And she said, yeah, that's fine. So our food wouldn't have been delivered for 45 minutes. So now we're hungry.
What disgusting.
So we've come to this beach here. We can't go into it because they've found some bacteria in the water here. So we can't swim. We weren't going to swim anyway. But look how beautiful it is. We've got waterfalls there. I don't know if you can see. Just waterfalls. Absolutely stunning. There's a waterfall just there as well. Might go over there in a bit. It's really random. They're lying on their sides and then flipping over. Must be how they feed. Look, we've got crisps. He's not moving. Oh, there he is. There he's gone.
Wine, trying Madeira wine?
Yes, this is
Yours too?
This is 3 years
Yours?
old, medium
Yours?
still.
This one? Yeah. I like wine in general.
Yeah,
That's it.
smells good. Yeah.
It's a wine that is fortified with a roundup with it. So it's between 19 and 22% of alcohol in it. It works more like an aperitif or a digestive.
It tastes like something very
Pruny.
And potato sauce.
Tastes like prunes.
It tastes like a prune.
Yeah, dries and thin, dries fruitage. And when we didn't have the roads, I will proceed. So when we didn't have the roads, donkeys and horses. And these two boats used to stop here in front. You can still see this. This building have 101 years old. And this place became a winery. That's why you can see in this picture people doing some wines. That picture too. And on that left corner down there, they still have the press. They don't produce any more wines here, but the old times, yes. Now it's a bar. What they do once a year in September, and will be next Saturday, they will bring grapes here. They will do the same way they used to do like that. They will bring some people where they catch the tuna fish, and also this one. Pickled grapes, sweet. So from 10 years up, it's a different kind of eco wine. It's more like a liqueur. But depending on your taste. But for a wine like this, a fortified wine, I think 10 years and more. This is the one that we also use to make a Madeira sauce. I don't know if you heard about Madeira sauce.
This one
The best
smells
one to make
lovely.
it is
That's
with this one, 10 years old, sweet.
Sauce for what?
Oh yes,
Especially
out
for-
of all three. That's a nice one.
You put the wine,
Yeah.
garlic, a little bit of butter, let them reduce slowly. So it's done.
Just bought our tickets from in there, and now we walk. Maybe. Got to go through here now. Oh, why am I going through? Okay, so this is the skywalk. I think it's just a glass flooring that you can see right underneath you.
Oh.
Right.
I know it's wrong.
I thought it was glass. Huh?
That makes it a bit worse.
We can kijken op.
Ну, страшновато, конечно, да.
Just stand here. I don't know if that. I can definitely hear cracking. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did, so I'm getting off.
Well, Olivia was a scaredy cat.
I
heard cracking.
Final Destination. That's the film.
No.
It's called The Final Destination.
Well, that's fine. It wouldn't have cracked. Loads of eucalyptus trees around here, and you can just smell it in the air. It's beautiful. Should we have a look if we can get a magnet?
Of course.
Well, just bought a magnet.
Yeah.
And Olivia's bought herself some sweets.
I don't know, the dried cherry.
Dried cherries.
Dried cherries.
Okay. Well, because we've actually had nothing to eat other than a handful of crisps, because they were taking too long in the restaurant. Just means we'll eat well tonight.
Yay.
Right, walking back up here, back up to the Jeep.
My feet hurt.
Oh, probably hear my breathing. So unfit.
We start in Funchal, then we stop on the Fisherman Village. Ponta do Sol, the waterfall on the road. Then we take very old roads until the mountains, 1,400 meters. Then we stop in Porto Muniz for swim. You swim and have lunch. Somebody had lunch.
Yeah, we didn't have lunch.
Then from here, we went to the Black Sand Beach, Seixal. Then a quick stop for the Madeira wine in São Vicente. We cross the valley, back to the south, and back to this viewpoint here, Cabo Girão. And then we will go back to Funchal.
Bye bye. Bye bye. This is our hotel here. Down this road. Just got ourselves into the hotel room after a long day of jeeping. Gonna sit down and say hi. Oh my goodness. Anyway, we're back at the hotel, and we've already mentioned that they're doing renovation work. I thought it was just, you know, lick of paint, change beds, air conditioning and stuff. But literally,
Floors up, everything's up.
yeah, the lift doors opened on the second floor. I don't know, accidentally, obviously, because the workmen were there. Doors opened, and it is a literal building site. Concrete rubble the lot. So, oh, okay, yeah. So it is a proper building site. Anyway, back to today. Absolutely brilliant, wonderful, exhausting. Just a little bit annoyed we didn't get to eat anything because we are hungry now.
Mm-hmm.
We've got your crisps. Let's eat some crisps. I think it's about 5 o'clock now. It's about 5 o'clock. 4:53, yeah. So 5 o'clock. So we haven't eaten anything really, apart from breakfast today. Let me have a crisp. These are the ruffles from yesterday. So we are hungry, but it's too early now to eat dinner. So we're just going to have the crisps. Olivia says she wants to go for a swim in the pool, and then we'll get ready for dinner. I want to get that fish. It's fish with banana.
I'll get steak.
And Olivia wants to get the steak. But yeah, brilliant day. I wouldn't have swam in that black sand beach anyway, even though we couldn't. Something about they found something in the waters to make it unsafe.
I put my feet in and had to clean them off.
Well, yeah. And there was a cafe there as well at that black sand beach, but that was shut. And I don't know if it was shut because no one could go swimming, but whatever.
Oh, just really,
And then we went on the glass skywalk thing. That was fun.
I was scared.
I heard it creaking and cracking. It scared Olivia.
I've always found a destination, that's what scared me.
But the best thing of the day, I think, was the driver. How he hasn't had an accident, I have no idea, but he's bloody brilliant at what he does.
He knows the road.
Yes, yeah, he does know the roads, because it's like shortcut, and the shortcut was, I don't know how a car can get up them. I filmed, I don't know how well you'll be able to see how we was driving, but it was brilliant. Anyway, we're going to eat these crisps and go swimming.
Or
So,
eat them upstairs at the pool.
no, I've got to charge my phone a bit. All right, see you in a bit. Oh, and also, the people that were on the Jeep with us, they're a good bunch as well, weren't they? Yeah. So yeah, a guy from America, a couple from, I think, Oxfordshire, and a couple from London. All brilliant. So I think that's what made it as well, because everyone was so happy and friendly. Yep. Olivia's just been for a swim in the rooftop pool. Was it nice?
Cold. It was nice.
Refreshing, yeah? Right, I want to go to dinner. So can you dry yourself off so we can go and have something proper to eat?
I'm gonna go for a shower first. I
Oh.
smell like glory.
Put your phone down then. Olivia! I didn't get in. I didn't want to. Look at our view. Look, and that's where the cruises come in, around there somewhere. Around there somewhere. But there wasn't any yesterday, none today. Our tour guide today said that the season doesn't start for another month or so. But yeah, this is our view, and it is just us up here. there's a vending machine just behind here.
But we've got no cash.
No, I think it takes cards. I don't know. But a vending machine, and it's I think it's got food and drink in there. I'll show you in a second. I'm just checking this vending machine. Oh no, it is coins only. But there is a bar. Let's have a look what time the bar is open. If you wish to order something from the bar, please dial. Oh, okay. So you can order from the bar, but via phone.
Oh, first time to have her.
That's a random drawing.
Get it to me.
I'm having my fish finally with banana. What it tastes like. Olivia, what have you gone for?
Steak. But it's not rare how I like it.
Could you ask for it rare?
No, she said it's either medium or well done.
You could have said meat rare.
When she comes out, well, I'll ask her for rare.
So I wanted, last time we were here, I wanted to eat down here, but we just didn't have the time. And now we're here eating. Look. That is really nice, isn't it? Which one is it?
It's that but cider. Well, really nice.
It's really nice and sweet as well, isn't it?
Yeah. So I don't really like beer.
And I've gone for the beer again, the local beer.
But yeah.
Try this one. So this is the lemon poncha. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Oh, do you want to have a taste?
Yeah. You do a sour.
Sour. How's the carrot?
Beautiful.
Okay. Fish with banana sauce. Can you see that? Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's got a bit of. Has that got lemon?
There's lemon on your plate.
Yeah. Didn't think that would have lemon in it. Oh, it's not. It's
I need to-
tangy.
I need to try
I'm
some.
going to try banana as well now. So that's banana. That's just warm banana. That's so good. Do you want to try some? Yes. Take some sauce. Just wait a minute or two.
It's sweet fish.
It's tangy, isn't it?
Right, I find it sweet.
How much is that?
£50.
That's not bad. I'm not drunk. Well, there you go. Literally, we were seconds away from dining and dashing, only because I've had a bit to drink. And I forgot we need to pay for the dinner.
And then Mum tried to go into another bar.
Sorry, Olivia, I can't walk in a straight line.
But
But yeah, we did pay. Just to make it clear, we did pay. That's where we've just eaten, down there. The hotel receptionist suggested that we come to this supermarket because she said it's a supermarket plus there's a restaurant in there. So Olivia popped in yesterday just to get some crisps and bits and pieces, but we're going in now to see what it's all about. Well, I'm going in now. That's obviously the restaurant there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a restaurant. I said we've got to get some of these glasses. Should we get some? You want a salad?
Yeah. Pesto, chicken, pasta.
Do you want that for lunch tomorrow?
No, I'm gonna get this.
Supper. I know that means soup. I've been learning. See, my Duolingo has come in use.
But do you know?
I know that is soup.
But do you know what type of soup?
Well, let's see. Batata is potato.
So then that's
I know that.
pasta.
Is that what you're getting?
Yes.
What please?
We just don't have fishmongers. And I mean, look at this. We don't have anything like this at home. It's so nice to see.
That's what I like about this place. We've got a restaurant, we've got a butcher's, we've got a bit of a greengrocer's,
Bakers.
a baker's, a fishmonger's, a wine cellar.
All we need is a candlestick maker. Look what we've just found. Paprika lays.
You're coming home with me.
Got to get some biscuits or sweets or something for work. Something that looks very Portuguese. Yes, Madeiran. That's a word. Madeiran, a word? I don't know.
There's
Well, milk is not, definitely.
yogurt. Dairy milk.
Right, so these are the regional sweets and treats from Madeira. So let's choose something for work. That's what's made me tipsy, so let's not. They look sweet. I think I'll get some of those. So we went to the supermarket and we bought some ice creams. So we sat on the terrace again tonight eating our ice creams.
Nice.
They're only mini magnums, but tomorrow we said we'd get proper gelato. But this will have to do today.
There's my dragon fruit, and it's pink. That's... Very nice.
Your favourite fruit, yeah?
Yeah, but it stains, which is not good.
I prefer the white one.
The white one's a lot sweeter than the pink one, but the pink one is pink.
Olivia, who's that?
Leela?
She's going to be on YouTube.
Leela, you're on YouTube.
Right, well, it's time for bed because we've had a very long day. Say goodnight, Olivia.
Good night. It's been a long day.
It has been a long day.
Oh, we don't.
And yes, I've brought my pillow with me from home. And the reason behind me bringing my pillow was because I've only got a large suitcase and it was half empty, and I thought I can't take a half empty suitcase with me on holiday. What shall I buff it up with?
You should have. Oh, you can't exactly use your dressing gown because it's too hot for that.
No, so I thought I'll just bring my pillow. So hence I've got my pillow. But anyway, I like my pillow. Anyway, so it's bedtime now, but not before we have a Portuguese tart in bed, because we're on holiday and we can do what we want on holiday. Yes?
Agreed.
So, shall I taste it? I've never had one. Oh, it's crumbly.
Does it taste like bacon tart?
A little bit. Very sweet, very crumbly, very tasty.
Mum,
I shall enjoy this with a cup of tea that's next to my bed.
kind of made by me.
Yes, and we shall see you tomorrow. Good night.